our position as a company is that we are a anti-car company, because we feel that people should either walk, cycle, use two-wheelers or three-wheelers. Because cars are too big, too fast, they pollute, they congest, and they kill all of us because they run over us. You know? Yeah, because people say that two-wheelers are dangerous. My submission is two-wheelers are dangerous only when hit by a car, otherwise they are not dangerous. Seriously, that's why so many cities in Europe, for example, are becoming carless. Because it's safer to walk, cycle, etc., use the metro, whatever. Having said that, more seriously, we are the world's largest three-wheeler maker, and we export more than we sell in this market. And ever since I was in school, people would make fun of me saying कि ये कैसा गाड़ी बनाते हो, 3 wheels, no doors, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, and all that. So one day I sat down with my guys and I said, look, we have to make something that is a little more respect-worthy. So we said to us, this is the difference between business and entrepreneurship. So because entrepreneurship में नाम कमाते हैं, business में तो खाली पैसा कमाते हैं. So we said the best three-wheeler would be a four-wheeler. It should have 4 wheels, it should have a seat belt, it should have a hard roof, it should have 4 doors, all the kind of things that car people take for granted. But the poor auto guy, as a driver or a passenger, thinks of it as a luxury. So we created this category of vehicles called a quadricycle, as opposed to a three-wheeler, which is a tricycle. And we thought that, it's as obvious as daylight that this is better than that, because it was more fuel efficient, it was greener, it was safer, it was more comfortable. Now today, after 5 years of having done this, you may or may not be surprised to know that we are today exporting to countries in Asia, to Europe, for example, to Russia, to Turkey, to LATAM. This is the only country that has not given us permission to sell this vehicle. Because for some reason it thinks that a four-wheeler is worse, and let people continue on three-wheelers. So what I want to say, because there is a question on innovation before this question, I want to say one thing very seriously to all of you, that if your innovation in this country depends on government approval or the judiciary process, it will not be a case of made in India, it will be a case of mad in India.